Yeah, shit. These hot Cheetos looking a bit rough. Hold on one second, y'all. What am I about to get into? Huh? Oh, how I'm looking, bruh. I have to get that red hot Cheeto flavor look. I had to get that going back. I had to bring it back, bro. I mean, I'm stuttering and shit. Why am I always stuttering? But I had to bring it back, bro. You know, I'm looking. Got the lighting looking good, boy. Let me see. I'm looking at the camera, by the way, in case y'all wonder what the hell he looking. Wait. Ooh, all right. Let me stop playing around with y'all. But welcome back to another video, Priceless Game. And like always, make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. Today we got another video. I'm gonna talk about the 5 things I hate about my Dodge Charger. It's not gonna be every Charger, but more like just my Charger. Maybe a couple things that can be pertaining to edit. I just can't talk today, man. I ain't gonna edit this out, man. We gonna keep it going. But it might not be about every Charger, but more like just my Charger and things I don't like about my Charger. But hey, make sure y'all do me a favor, man. Where is it at? Make sure you follow my IG and my Snapchat handle, okay? I don't know which side is which, but make sure you follow my social medias, okay? Because I don't know, because I want you to follow me. But we gonna go ahead and go outside, and I'm gonna tell y'all what I don't like about my Dodge Charger RT Plus. So let's get it going, motherfucker. Got the bloody bloods on today. So let's go ahead, get that remote start real quick. You know what I'm saying? How she sounding? Okay, she sounding decent. Y'all see the LED flashing? Yes, sir. Damn. Well, since we out here, I guess we're gonna talk about the first thing I don't like about my Dodge Charger, man.
Bruh, these tires, man. Why you putting 245, 20s
on the Charger, bro? I mean, I get it. I ain't got like the most, matter of fact, let me go ahead and shut this off, man. I ain't got the most fastest Charger, man, but come on, man. We need a little bit more grip on these cars, man. It is still a V8. Ooh, and I ended up, don't tell nobody, but all them donuts and burnouts I was doing before a couple times. It was like a couple times, you know what I'm saying? Man, I ended up having the cord showing on one. Then I had like this weird ass bump. I might put a picture in there, but I did have like this weird ass bump, like on the sidewall of my tire. So I guess I read about it, and it's internal damage and shit. So I just went ahead. I was gonna go get that one changed out. Then they told me like, oh, you got wires showing, bruh. Shout out to Discount Tire. Y'all need to sponsor me or something, But still, shout out to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Them motherfuckers, they gave me a tire for free. I ain't gonna do it. I don't know why. Maybe they thought I was broke. Hey, you gonna let them keep thinking that shit? Because he gave me a tire for free. Maybe because I have my daughter with me, but I got a free tire from them. So shout out to Discount Tire, man. Y'all the shit. But that is the first thing that I do not like about my Dodge Charger. So let's get into the second thing.
All right, y'all. So now we in the Charger. The second thing I don't like about my Dodge Charger that they could have did, like, come on now, they could have did a little bit better job on it, is these damn ugly ass yellow lights, bro. Look at that. Y'all could at least gave us the LED. Like, come on, bro. Y'all could at least gave us the LED.
I mean, yeah, I could change out the LEDs myself. I was like, come on, we could at least, this is a 2021, bro. We could at least got the LED bulbs everywhere. I mean, I think the only thing that's LED, I think my headlights, but they have like a yellowish, whitish tint to it, so I don't even know. And where is it? Where else is it? My license plate. That's like the only LED bulbs my car has, which I don't know. Just makes no sense to me. Josh, need to change that. I love y'all, but y'all need to change that. And going into number 3, into the thing. Oh my God, I'm stuttering. And number 3 for the things I don't like about my Dodge Charger. I don't know. Am I being picky? I don't like this material. Like, I know like different Chargers have like different, like it could be like that carbon fiber thing, but I just don't like this. Like the touch,
I don't know. If y'all have this and y'all have a Dodge Charger, you know what I'm talking about. Like that touch, I just don't like that touch. It made me cringe, bro. I just really don't like it, bro. It's just, I don't like it. And it's just like, I feel like they could did like a gloss black, you know, something just like, I don't know, because I got the Plus, man. That's like, this car is like almost fully optioned out except for like the front, the 4 collision warnings and stuff like that. And the, what's it called? When it keeps you a certain distance away from the other car. I was like, come on, Dodge. You could have just added that little piece in there, you know what I'm saying? But once again, I ain't complaining about my Dodge Charger. I love this Charger. It's just the RT. You know, I can't even keep saying that. People just saying, like, don't say it's just the RT. The RT is still a fun-ass car to drive, bro. Like, no cap, on some real shit. This car is still fun as hell to drive. It's a nice entry-level V8. And I still have fun with it. So it's just like, yeah, you know. Still want that Scat Pack, like the wide body or the Cat. But the RT is a good-ass starter, bro. I came from a Honda Civic, bro. So it got some decent-ass power. I'm not losing to every motherfucking thing, man. But we're going to get into number 4. All right, so number 4, the fourth thing I hate about this car. Y'all, don't get on my case. And this is like in no order. This is just me saying off the top of my head. Is the gas on this car. You got a V8. I know I got a motherfucking V8, nigga. I'm going to complain about the gas prices. If I got the money, don't got the money. Got a Lambo, got a fucking McLaren, I don't care. Got a Honda. Nigga, everybody feeling it out here. Thank you, Biden. But now I'm just playing. But it's like, no matter what car I'm going to have, it's like I'm not complaining about the gas. I'm just saying, that's one of the things. Nobody likes spending money on gas. Whether you have the money or not, nobody likes spending a bunch of money on gas. I think it ain't too bad, though. I do drive a lot, which is, you know, on me. But right now I'm getting like 17 miles per gallon right now. And that's me being good. And it's just like, it's so hard. Like, yeah, it's a RT. It ain't no Hellcat or anything like that. But still, this car is so fun to drive, bro. Like, on some real shit. And it's just like, bruh, it's hard not to drive this car how it was meant to be driven, bro. That's how this car was meant to be driven. Like, I wouldn't say like a damn maniac, but shit. You supposed to have fun with this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? So that's number 4 for me right there. And number 5, I just feel like the Dodge Charger, like the RTs, I feel like they can come with like a little bit more power. Like, I think it would make sense if the RTs had like 400 something horsepower. The Scat Packs came with like mid 500. And then, you know, the Hellcats come with what they come, you know, the 707 and stuff like that. I just feel like the RTs could have just came with a little bit more horsepower, you know what I'm saying? Because there's cars that can have a little bit less horsepower than what we have and be lighter and beat us. And it's just like, Dodge could have gave us like a 420, you know, something 450, you know, something like that. Between 4 and 450, you know what I'm saying? At least that, you know, that's just what I think. Like, and to be honest with y'all, it was hard trying to come up with 5 things I do not like about this car, bro. Because I love this car, man. It's just off the top of my head, bro. I mean, look at y'all like the hot Cheetos. It ain't even focus. It's focused on one right here, but it's all right. But yeah, that's the 5 things I hate about this Dodge Charger, man. And I honestly just love this car, bro. This shit hard. Like, come on, man. Y'all come with me. Like, come on, man. I constantly get, like, I ain't gonna cap. I constantly get people asking if this is a Scat. No, it's not a Scat, but we gonna get the Scat or the Hellcat sooner or later. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I just got this car wash yesterday. Look at this, man. Ain't that sad? And it's scratched up there. I hit it with some factory paint that Dodge sent me, but it's all right. It's just a car. I mean, I do like taking care of my cars and stuff like that, but it is just a car. It ain't a human life or anything like that. Dang, man. So I got a car wash and I was able to get another free one within 24 hours, but I think it's after 24 hours, so it's just like, I don't care anymore. But I always get compliments on this color, man. You know, this color was replaced. It was supposed to replace it was supposed to replace the Destroyer Gray, but I think they still coming out with Destroyer Gray, so I don't know. But I love this color, man.
If I had one color to pick to replace it, I'd get that gold mango. That shit hard as hell, bro. I ain't gonna cap.
These motherfucking lights.
I don't know, man. A lot of people say Lightning Trends is good. Maybe it's just the Flow series. Some people have problems with the Flow series. Some people don't. So I don't know, man. But I am gonna eventually, cause you know I'll be busy. I got a life. You know what I'm saying?
But I eventually want to take a time to take this bumper off and see if I can figure out the problem, bro.
And if not, I'm probably either gonna put my factories back in so I can at least have the little the DRLs, cause I want something. I don't like it just riding around with nothing. Or I'm just gonna get the RGBW boards that's do the same shit. It just don't do all that extra animations and shit like that. But I don't know. I love my baby. Gotta get that wicker build, the diffuser. I gotta get all that, bro. But I'm about to sign off, y'all. This is the 5 things I hate about my Dodge Charger. You know I love this fucking car, bro. That's some real shit. But hey, everything ain't perfect. Nobody's perfect. Things ain't perfect. So it's just how the life goes, man. So once again, y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Priceless, girl, your love, priceless. My life is priceless. Before I leave you lifeless. Priceless, girl, your love, priceless. My life is priceless. Before I leave you